Hi and welcome to the Property Investor App YouTube channel. Today we're talking about a development opportunity which is based on Albert Road in Morecambe, LA4. So I'm going to give you a quick rundown as to what the property entails. Now first of all, on the Property Investor App you can have a look at all the images of this property. So you can see it's in need of some TLC, and we also provide lots of comparables for the property as well. We give you a map showing you exactly where the property is and detailed images so that you can see exactly what kind of condition the property is and also what it entails. With this property in particular, as we said, it's got planning permission in place for it to be converted into 3 apartments. We give you detailed plans and all the images. Now moving on, what the Property Investor app is also very good at is giving you an interactive map. So you can see by zooming in or zooming out exactly where the property is and what is within the location. And then finally, we have on the far right hand side all the headline figures. So the purchase price on this property is £82,500. The gross development value after the work has been done is approximately £240,000, and the finder's fee is £4,000 for this property. Now moving on, we give you an indication as to what the property is now, what it can become, and what information we've done or what homework we've done in order for us to bring us this opportunity. So we have a builder's quote for approximately £100,000 to bring the property up to standard. And if you're an experienced developer, we've also spoken to lenders who would potentially lend up to 70% of the purchase price as well as 70% of the build costs, meaning that it's going to limit the amount of capital you have to put into the property. We've also added in the planning link, so it shows you exactly where the planning permission was granted, and you can get all the sizes and all the floor plans from there. The average size of a flat in this location is between 42 and 59 square meters, and we give you a bit of an indication as to where the property is in a location. And from our research, it's shown that flats in this location achieve between £80,000 and £85,000 per flat, and on a rental they would achieve between £500 and £550 per calendar month, dependent on the size and the finish. Now, one of the beautiful things about the Property Investor app is that we actually provide a vision. So we look at the property and think, what is it now, what can it become, and how can you monetize this? So in this scenario, we've said that you can purchase the property for £82,500 and develop it to generate a profit of between £50,000 to £65,000 based on a £100,000 development cost. You can either keep it and refurbish, refinance and rent and get all your money back out in less than a year. You could potentially purchase, refurbish and sell on and generate a profit of between £50,000 to £65,000. Alternatively, you could even look at the serviced apartments straight the serviced accommodation angle to see if you could benefit from greater cash flow. So based on 3 apartments generating on average £525 a month would generate approximately £1,575 a month, which is just under £19,000 a year. And taking into consideration a mortgage cost, taking into consideration a management like a letting agent at 10%, we believe that the cash flow after costs would be £786 per month as a managed option, or if you were to manage it yourself, it could potentially achieve up to £975. And finally, what the Property Investor app also does, it gives you a rough indication as to how much cash you require to actually do the deal. So we've worked on the basis of a purchase price at £82,500. You require 30% deposit for the purchase, a 30% deposit for the refurb, as well as the stamp duty, the legal costs and the finder's fee, means that you'd require in total approximately £62,225. Now, if you like this opportunity and you want to see more like this, why not visit our app? So we have an app called Property Investor. We also have a website called propertyinvestorapp.co.uk. And you can download the app off the iOS App Store and also Google Play Store. Why not subscribe to our Property Investor YouTube channel, where you can see opportunities like this almost daily? And finally, why not like us on Facebook and Instagram? We hope you found the video of use, and we will speak to you all very soon. Thank you.